Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Juno with Trading the Charts Pro, and today I'm here with one more video breaking down all my trade setups that I took today, all my mistakes, everything that I did right, so that you can learn and apply a few of these things to see, hey, are you making mistakes in some of these areas and how it is possible for you to correct them. All right, so let's jump right into the chart. We're talking about futures, ES-mini, S&P 500 futures, E-mini December contract. All right, so let's jump into the chart. Guys, you're gonna realize that I'm a little bit not so focused here and there because I'm watching this live chart and price is just running away, and that's money that I could be making. But again, I already made $500 for the day, so I'm trying to stick to the discipline. Today was not the easiest day for me, guys. I have had better days. First I was up around 900 in the morning, then I lost my 900, I went negative 500, and then finally I was able to recover and I'm up 500 for the day. So technically, if I did not make all these mistakes, I would be up, around 1600 for the day, which that's nothing to complain about given the kind of market conditions that we're in right now. All right, so let's jump into the chart, look at some of the trades that I took, and see how you can identify some of these trades and know when to execute for those trades for yourself. All right guys, so right here I got a 3-minute chart. So this morning, when I came inside here, it was around 6 a.m. So I actually see that the market was moving up into a tight triangular pattern because we had a resistance up here, and then price fell down to the support. So when I came in, price was right here at the support. So because it was at the support, I'm like, well, back it was at the support, what happened? We got a nice run. It was at support here, we got a nice run. Support here, we got a nice run. Support here, we got a nice run. And let me clear this up. If we look at this, setup right here, it looks pretty much the same because price came down, consolidated, and then, price left. All right, so when I look at this right here, I'm like, okay, I think we're gonna break out and we're gonna move back higher because I saw the consolidation and I'm like, support, consolidation, price tipped above the moving averages just a little bit. I'm like, okay, this is a go. So as soon as I jumped in, guys, what happened? Price broke down. So right there, I had my first loss of the day. Okay, first loss of the day. Now after that, I think I came back in right here and I make up some of that loss. All right, price actually started to recover, pull back down, and boom, price fell all the way down to the bottom. Well, right around here, I saw this bear flag right here, and by the time I was able to get in, I wasn't able to get in time. So actually, this move it was just one candle all the way down very fast. So I did miss that opportunity right here to get this beautiful short down to the support level, which is actually the same support level on the hourly chart. All right, so I missed that trade. Then price came down, recovered. I missed all of this, guys. I don't know what I was doing, but I missed all of that. Anyway, inside here I did get another short, which gave me a little bit of profit. But then again, let me zoom this out. I don't know what I was thinking inside here. I went long a couple times inside here, and then I got stopped out for a small loss. Then it broke down here and I'm like, okay, this was just a bear flag. And again, I went short on the breakdown. Price rally, I had another loss, and man, it was just crazy. Price came down again and I'm like, are we gonna go down? I don't know. So then I went long again here which gave me some more profit. I'm still net negative at this point. So here I made up a little bit more profit, because what happened here was this breakdown. But if you look at it pretty, we're still in an uptrend, because this low and this low, we have a higher low on this side, so we're still moving higher. Okay, so I look at that, it was very choppy, small W inside, took a few profits, then we had a breakout. So guys, this was when it started to get very interesting, because price broke out and then it pulled back, and I saw that, hey, things is looking really good. So the moment we got a bounce somewhere here, I jumped in and take a little piece of profit right there. Price run up, consolidated, and then price breakdown. I think I did come inside here and I got a quick short out of this move back down here, because what happened is that now, yes, we're still in an uptrend, but we have the resistance here that was broken at this level. Now it kind of becomes support here, and then when price went up and made a new high, the resistance again here becomes support. All right, so I was out of that trade very, very quick. And then what happened was price bounce, and then I see price coming back down. So I'm like, okay, this is going to be the first lower high. But instead, when I went short, I got stopped out there again for a small loss. But I very, 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 very clearly realized that price has changed direction. And though this pullback here now, you kind of have to disregard this side of the pattern, and now we're seeing here that this is a small bull flag. So for that reason, I was able to jump in here, catch a quick move somewhere up here, and then I was out, because once again we have the resistance area up here. So overall, I pretty much made around $1,500 altogether today. But then I lost about $1,000, because I don't know, my emotional balance was just not in place today. So for that reason, I'm only net positive $500. So my point in this video that I want to make is that sometimes it pays to just be patient and just wait, and sometimes it's not good to leave the platform specifically between 8:30 and around 9:30, because that's what I did. I left the platform and I missed the best part of the trading day. Typically, if I had caught this trade right here, took profit up here, and then catch this bull flag pullback right here, then guys, it would have been a done day for me, and I would have been out of the market. But because I missed that, I had to be in this chopping around nonsense here, just to become profitable here at the end of the day. So just trade safe. Don't try to jump in and try to catch every little move. Make sure when you decide to go in the market, the setup is actually worth taking the risk in order for you to get in. Because if it's not worth taking the risk, you're actually going to allow yourself to lose money, when you could have just sit, be a little bit more patient, and wait for the best setup. So if you like the contents that I'm putting out here in this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell, so that when my next video comes out, you'll definitely be the first to get notified. All right, until then, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. But before I go, let me just bring in one more chart really quick for you guys that are watching. Let me bring in the hourly chart. All right, guys, so right here we can see that the market pretty much looks like it have bottomed out right here in the short term. Now we're testing the 50 SMA again. So guys, if we're able to recover above the 50 SMA, we're looking for the market to come back somewhere up here. All right, so right as of now, this is the very low of the market, and price has started to recover. This was a bear flag, but you can see price break out to the upside. This has completely got canceled. So now this was just a bottom and price recovering. So now what we need to see is price come up, pull back, give us a higher low on the hourly, larger time frame, and then if we get that, we're looking for price to start moving up a little bit higher to the upside. There is also one more thing that I want to show you here. This is a lot of lines, but yeah, this is a lot of lines, but it's okay. All right, so when we look, guys, price actually, you know, market breakout, and then the market had a bear flag here that ended up break down, and then we had a small one here that break down again. But what I'm seeing is that right around this area is a very, very strong support. So we're watching this to see if this market is going to run back up, pull back down again before recovering, giving us a inverse head and shoulders, and then actually start to move back to the upside. All right, so guys, just be on the lookout for that and trade safe, never risk too much. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Okay.